Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm showing you how to set due dates on to-dos in Basecamp. All right. So first off, log into your Basecamp account and then go ahead and open up one of your projects. Click on it, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to the to-dos section. Okay. If you can't find it, go to the three dots right here at the top right, click on it and click on Setup Tools. And in here, make sure that to-dos is enabled. Okay. Going back, click on to-dos. Then in here, go ahead and find the specific to-do that you wanted to add in a due date. All right. Or if you want to select all, for example, you wanted to select all of these and add in a due date in one go, or maybe 5 items and add in due dates in one go, I got you covered. Okay. For example, one to do in here. I'm going to click on it. You have the due on section. Click on select a date. Maybe the due is on a Monday, like so. And then once done, just hit on save changes and you're good to go. Now, if you want to add in, say, multiple to-dos right here with the same due date, for example, October 6th. Now, I'm going to go ahead and select the other. Click on one. All right. Now, go ahead and hold Shift on your keyboard and click on the last to-do. Now, as you can see here, we have the due on section. Click on it. Now, go ahead and click on due on right here. Select the date, 6, Monday. Save changes. Wait for it. And there you have it. They are all due on October 6th. Now, if you want to select maybe just 3 to-dos, maybe 6 right here, AI and edit. Okay. I'm going to go and select one, then hold Control on your keyboard. Select one again. All right. You see 3 to-dos are now selected. I'm going to go ahead and click on due on maybe Friday, October 10th. Okay. Click on save changes. And as you can see here, this one is set to October 10, October 10, October 10. The rest is October 6. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.